here's a bad cell phone video of Frank's 1984 Dodge D100, 150, whatever this thing is. I just finished putting the Clifford headers on it. Offenhauser 4-barrel intake, Demon 350 CFM 2-barrel carb. Other than that, it's a stock 225 Slant 6. A few months ago, got rid of the lean burn injection, installed a Mopar orange box, cell coil with cell wires, has an electric fan you can hear running, truck's lowered 8 inches all the way around, flipped the rear axle, cut the front springs, 4-speed truck. Has dual 2-inch exhaust on it I finished with Cherrybomb glasspacks. They're split, there's no white pipe, so 3 cylinders per bank on the exhaust. Has that nice crack to it. Just gotta tune it up and it should be on the road in a day or two.